This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials and the first action. Warm the engine, then turn it off and wait 10 to 15 minutes so pressure drops and coolant drains easier. Put the car on level ground and set the handbrake. Remove the radiator cap and open the overflow bottle to vent the system. This speeds the flow. Place a drain pan under the radiator petcock and use the appropriate wrench to loosen the petcock. Once loose, let coolant flow into the pan until mostly emptied. Once drained, flush the system to remove sediment. Open the heater valve or detach the upper hose and run clean water through until the runoff is clear. After flushing, close the radiator petcock and resecure any hoses with clamps. Mix fresh coolant to the recommended ratio, typically 50/50 antifreeze and distilled water for DZire, and slowly refill the radiator neck first, then the overflow bottle to its mark. Make sure to purge air by squeezing hoses and cycling the heater to circulate coolant. Trapped air to finish, bleed air and verify system integrity. Start the engine with the radiator cap off and heat on high. As the thermostat opens, the level will drop, so top up until it stabilizes. Once stable, secure the cap and inspect all hose connections and the petcock for leaks. Tighten if needed. Take a short test drive 10 to 15 minutes to bring the car to normal temperature, then let it cool and recheck coolant level and for any persistent leaks. If overheating or steady loss occurs, re-inspect or consult a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.